The Nyotreb Youth Council West Khasi Hills District on Thursday organized a public rally at Nongstoin to protest against the manner in which the recent MOU on the interstate boundary road between Assam and Meghalaya was arrived upon. Hundreds of HYC members along with the residents of Malankona and Athaibari border areas marched in a protest rally which started from SBI Nongstoin up to Nongstoin Market Complex. Meanwhile, reacting to this, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tingsong said that the state government will go ahead with the second phase of the talks to resolve the interstate boundary row. Admitting that there are few people protesting the MOU, he however said that a majority of the population wants to see a solution.
We have decided we will continue. Because see, if you talk about few section of people who wanted to protest or who are against it, I think there is no another one. But this one, I'm telling maximum majority of the Meghalaya people, they wanted to see that solution is resolved once for all. Being this problem continue for more than 50 years.